it's Lavanya. Welcome back to my channel. So 2 years ago, I made this cardboard shoe rack video, which has been doing really well. You guys have been really enjoying that. So I decided to try another cardboard storage DIY for you guys. And this time, a cardboard cabinet, which is really easy to make using any boxes you have in your house. So hope you guys really enjoy this and let me know down below what you think and what else you'd like to see me make. Definitely subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon down below so YouTube will notify you whenever I make new videos. All right, now let's see how I made this.
So to make this, you will need 2 cereal boxes, some pieces of cardboard, hot glue gun, scissors, duct tape, and some wrapping paper. First things first, we're going to shut these boxes using some duct tape. And then you're going to want to cut 3 out of the 4 sides of the front of the cardboard, just like this. And we're going to go ahead and do that, the same thing to the other box, but on the opposite 3 sides, just like that. Cool, next I'm going to take this wrapping paper and just wrap the door part of the cabinet. And it's generally a good idea to wrap each side separately, otherwise you're going to end up with bubbles or like weird wrinkles. So yeah, try to wrap each side separately, or you can also use contact paper, which is going to already have some adhesive to make it even more neat. But here is an example of how to wrap this as neatly as possible so that your cabinet looks as professional as possible. We're going to go ahead and do the same thing to the other box. So next step, we're going to hot glue both of these boxes together, just like this. And I decided to also use some duct tape to secure these, just for some extra support. So I'm going to use some duct tape to tape those in the front and also the back. And I'm also going to take this wrapping paper and cover that duct tape just to make it a little bit more neat. Now I'm going to cut some pieces of cardboard the same height and width as this cabinet. Wrap it up with wrapping paper and make sure it actually fits in there. Next, I'm going to take some hot glue gun and glue those into the cabinet. And the hot glue is actually going to be pretty stable here because the glue itself is actually some form of plastic, so it's generally very stable for sort of smaller pieces like this. Next, I'm going to take 2 little pieces of rock or pebble or pretty much anything you want to use as a knob. And I'm going to use my hot glue gun to place those around where you would want your doorknob for your cabinet doors. I'm also going to take a small hair tie and use that to keep those together. And here is the finished product.
Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you really enjoyed it. Check out the other tutorials I have in my channel and let me know down below what you think and what you'd like to see me try next time. Be sure to like this video if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys next time.